Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class, we are going to draw this model 2057 drawing number. Okay, let's see an overview. It is 100 width and height is 45 plus 28. Okay, here it is similar like triangle shape, and some distance above here we have some space, ribs, etc. etc. Okay, let's start the model. Select this plane. Again, select the profile. Up to here, select the line, which is equidistance point. I am selecting 6 mm. Let's see, did we got 6 mm or not? Yes, here we get 6 mm. Okay, now let's choose profile. I give only random dimension. Now here we need to give full-fledged dimensions here. Here it is 100. Okay, let's make these two lines as symmetry. Then we will get some clarity. And this height is 45. Same this side also 45. Okay, let's once remove this part. Okay, set the dimension from this line to this point. It is 28 mm. 28. Okay, let's see. Here it is 6 mm width, and this relation height is 28 mm, and total height is 40. Here from this line height is 45. Total width is 100 mm. Okay, it is fully constrained and closer look. Then exit the workbench. Give the pad. It is 6 mm thickness. Give it in reverse direction. Let's select preview. Okay, this is the part we draw. Now we need a plane with the distance 45 mm from this plane. Okay, 45 mm. Preview. Okay, now select this plane. Okay, here I am selecting one rectangle box. I'm giving 70 line to Z axis, and its width is 24 plus 6 width, rib width, total 30. Okay, and its height is 12 mm. That's right. And it is 42. So now exit the workbench and select the pad. It is 9 mm thickness. Let's see how it is. Yes, it is towards this profile side. Okay, preview. Okay, this is the part we required. Now we did it. But one thing I wish to know. Select this part. Okay, right. Now here again. Select this part. Same vice versa. Project here also. Let's select the line from this point to this point, and this point to this point. In drawing, they give dimension 9 mm from edge to this point to this edge. It is 9 mm, and here it is 9 mm. Okay, so here I want to close the loop. Before that, I wish to delete this projected files because it gives error. Means that it shows open loop. So okay, here this is now close the loop. I want to constrain this line to this part. Okay, now it is fully constrained. Then exit the workbench. Okay, select the pad. Its dimension is 6 mm. Preview reverse direction. See here it is in below direction. That's why I give reverse direction. Preview. Okay, this is the part I'm going to hide this plane. Okay, now we done. So let's see another part. Select this plane. Okay, select the profile from bottom point to okay, constrain this line. Constrain this part also. It is important because there is don't leave open loop at any point. Okay, generally pad will consider. Okay, here it is some picture freedom. Here we need height of this part. It is 12 mm. Okay, exit the workbench. Select the pad. It is 6 mm thickness, but we need mirror extension, so I am giving 3-dimension mirror extension. Preview. Okay, let's see the drawing once. Here we have done everything. We need 2 holes and this curve. Let's add this plane again. Okay, here consider some points. Okay, and set the line this point to this point. Okay, let's consider this part and consider this point to this edge. Okay, let's make this 2 lines as tangents and make this point with this vertical line and its radius is 30 mm. Okay, and this point not here, it should be here. This is the part. So this loop is closed complete. Now exit the workbench. So the pad here again same vice versa previously how we have done. We need 6 mm clip thickness, so here I am giving 3 mm and mirror extension. Preview. Okay, This is the part we have done now, and we need 2 holes on this profile. Okay, now select the circle. And we need to know what is the diameter of the circle. It is 12 mm diameter, and top to center of the circle it is 8 mm height, and from this point to this edge it is 22. Okay, right, and here we give mirror of this hole with this plane. Okay, finished. This is the workbench. Let's give the hole, and it is 6 mm. Review. Okay, and it is 12 mm chamfer. Okay, this is the model we have done now. This is the final model. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.